翻。
Hello, this is Jolene. Today I will introduce this powder filling machine. It's lifting, can fill 25 kg for very dusty powder. So now we're working on it. You can see how this machine working. Like the back, it will lifting up. As the powder is very dusty, so with this device, it will reduce the powder as possible. And then it will filling from the bottom, and this bag will be down slowly. Also, this machine connecting with the dust collector system. So when you test 10 kg, it is 10 kg. The accuracy of this machine is also very well. And here, the dust collector, they are connecting up with the tubes. So the product is very well and not have a lot of powder in the factory. So if you're interested in this machine, contact us. Thank you.